Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you how you can set up permissions related to your production team. So for that, first of all, you need to go in settings module or access management module. On your left hand side, you will see access management module or settings module. So let us go ahead with the settings module and guide you how you can set the permission. First of all, you need to click on settings module. So you will come in the user segment of your settings. Now here you will see option of teams. Click on teams. Now these are the list of teams which is already added in your profile. So as you can see, I have already added a production team and there is one of the member which is added. And now I need to set up a permission for the production, like to see the report or to view action in progress, or I may go ahead and say that resource planning. So each and everything you can define it from here. How? Let me guide you. So go over three dots. Here you will get the option of permission. Please click on this. Once you will come in permission, so in the very beginning there is the sales and purchase document permission. You can just skip that. Here is the permission related to the reports. So once you will go in report, please check there is an accounting report. Then after dispatch general, here is the production report. So you need to select this to check the production report. Now, going below, you will see option related to bill of materials. So in inventory segment, you will see view bill of material, edit bill of material. Then after view process, which is edit process, action in process. So this is how you can set up the entire production related permission. So basically the production related permission are to check the reports, go ahead and create the production process, define the bill of material, and also go ahead and take a action on any production process. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while setting up permission related to the production. Have a good day ahead.